Lesson number 2, Basic Video Editing Skills in CapCut. What is CapCut? CapCut is a fun app for making and editing videos. You can add music, text, and cool effects to your clips. It's easy to use and helps you create awesome videos to share with friends and family. What is importing in CapCut? Importing is the act of transferring files from an external source into the video editing software's workspace. What is timeline in CapCut? The timeline looks like a long strip or bar where you can see all your video clips, images, and audio tracks laid out in the order they will appear in your final video. What is transition? A transition is an effect placed between two clips to blend them together in a visually appealing way. This is the interface of CapCut. Steps 1. Import videos and drag into timeline. 2. Split the video. When you split a video clip, you are cutting it at a chosen point, creating two separate clips. 3. Use transitions and drag into middle of videos. 4. Export and save your video on .mp4. Hello Mellow learners, welcome to our first lesson on CapCut. Today, I am going to learn how to start a new project, import media, and do some basic editing. 1. First of all, open CapCut and import your videos. Drag the videos into timeline. After this, split the video. When you split a video clip, you are cutting it at a chosen point, creating two separate clips. Mellow learners, after splitting the videos, go to Transition Effects from top of the menu and select any transition and drag into middle of the two separate clips. And then play your video and see the transition effects. Great job, Mellow learners! You've just created your first video in CapCut. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to save and export it.